Hello friends, for making this project we need some robotic component just like an Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module and WS2811 pixel LED. So now let's do the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, you can see that pixel LED data pin is given to the D6 pin of Arduino. Means D6 pin of Arduino gives the output data to our pixel LED. Now friends, let's get a little knowledge about pixel LED. This is a pixel LED of type WS2811 in which 5-inch LED is enabled. But there are also many types of different LEDs with the different functions. So in this project I use this type of pixel LED. In this LED, the data from Arduino transfers from first LED to the last LED with a program code. Let's see the application work. Friends, this is the application manager which is preferred by MIT App Inventor. In this manager you can see several buttons of different color names. And these are the non-visible components which is used in this application, just like Bluetooth client and etc. And this is the block section. Here are the commands of Bluetooth which can be activated when we click the button. And in design button I use this notifier option which makes a choice for us to control the pixel LED designs. Now let's do the programming. Friends, this is the whole code which we need to upload in the Arduino Uno to make our project. First of all, we need to download this Adafruit NeoPixel library and define the digital pin which we use to give the output for pixel LEDs. And at last we need to define the number of pixels which we used in this project. Now in the void loop, this is the whole process of being taken data from the Bluetooth module. As you can also see in the application manager that when we click the button from application, then it gives the data to our Bluetooth module with a specific letter, just like this. Here for the design we can use these types of options that you can see on the screen. Now we only need to upload this code in our Arduino Uno. Just select Arduino Uno in the board manager and then easily upload this code in the Arduino. And after a whole process, let's see practical. Now friends, this is the application to control our Pixel LED. When we open it and our Bluetooth is not turned on, then it makes a request from our phone. After connecting, it gives a notification to us, and just like as you can see on the screen that whenever I click the color buttons, it makes the same color on the screen. This project is related to the decoration of hotels, home and many other parties. So please share and subscribe my channel.